And folks, check out these guavas. This tree is pumping them out. That big guava. And Fatima says, which one? This one right here? This Big Daddy? Come on off of there, dude. Trying to hold the camera and pull this guava. That joker don't want to come off of there, my friends. Let's give him a twist. A couple little twists of the guava with the one-handed operation. There we go. There's a guava for wife number one. Forrest G's over there chilling. He's chilling. And let me show you what I got on here. Got on this grill. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. My goodness. I'm smoking that Minote, and I've attracted all the neighborhood cats. Hell, most of them stay over here anyhow. Hell yeah, folks. Just doing a little barbecue out here tonight. It is beautiful. It's been a beautiful day. And I spent most of the day inside on the computer. I regret that. I should have been out and about. But hopefully it'll be good weather tomorrow. And we're gonna roll out. So it's just a look around the crib here at the Alamo. Dinner tonight. And Miss Marissa is back at her family's place. Shout out to Marissa. Hey, we miss you. Hope you're having a good time with your family over there. And we're just here cooking the chicken. Just a little tomatoes, some onions, and a whole chicken. And what else did we buy, baby? Oh, we got a pack of rolls. And folks, I gotta show you them rolls. Them rolls in there look delicious. How much were those rolls, honey? 20. Only 20 pesos for these rolls. So I'll show you. But again, folks, just want to give you an update on the guava tree. Man, look at this thing. This thing is pumping them out. They're everywhere. There's a trio. There's 4 up there. I mean, there's gotta be 2 dozen guavas on this tree. So we're gonna tear a couple up for dinner. Got to. My goodness. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at that bird. Yeah, look at that color, folks. Look at that beautiful color. My goodness. Beautiful. What's up, Forrest G? Folks, I tell you, it don't, days and nights do not get any better than this one, I'm telling you. It's beautiful weather. Got a little breeze coming through, kind of pulling the smoke off to the right. Smoking me a cigar. Like my buddy said, his wife came in, caught him in the living room, watching the bikini contest, kicked back in his easy chair with a beer, and he said he was smoking his cigar like the fucking devil himself. And his old lady just started raising hell. You know, I did that live stream, that's a year ago. But basically, you know, talking about what's the hell the problem? Man in his house, in his easy chair, drinking his beer. He pays the damn mortgage, smoking a cigar, watching his TV, and watching a bikini contest, and his wife's gonna come in there and bitch at him. And she said, what did he say? He said something like, she said, I want a divorce. And by the time she said that, he said, I'll take number 35, or something to that effect, you know, one of the girls in the contest. It was so funny. He said he was kicked back, puffing on that cigar like the devil himself. Baby, you get angry at me if I go to the bikini contest? Huh? You want me to go? You can go too if you want to go. You want to go?
I've been there.
You've been there before. You want to go again? See, that's what a wife. That's the appropriate response if a man says, I want to go to a bikini contest. She said, go. And then I invite her. She's already been twice. Well, you can go again. Okay, let's go. That's the way a relationship should be. You know, ain't nothing wrong with a bikini contest. That's harmless. That's just good old-fashioned fun and entertainment for all. All right, see if this chicken's done, my friends. Oh, yeah. My goodness, look at that bird. Look at that bird. Look at his neck going down in them coals. Now, folks, that is a good looking piece of chicken right there. Check out them onions. You cannot go wrong with grilled onions. We only put like 2 on there. That's not enough. Should have put 10 onions on there, but just take a gander at that chicken right there, my friends. It's almost done. I'm gonna give them about 3 more minutes. In the little Ace tabletop grill. That thing is a champion. I'll show you. I'll take a look at these tomatoes. I already pulled these tomatoes off of there. Those tomatoes are looking delicious. And folks, I'm gonna tell you right now, this charcoal chimney is worth its weight in gold. And when we get ready to roll to the village, I'll be rolling with a whole bag of these things. What's up there, Jethro? Good old Jethro right here. Jethro's the attack carabao. He's the attack water buffalo watching over the front gate. Anybody feels froggy, they're gonna have to get through Jethro first. He might be quiet. He might act like he's peaceful, but he's like a damn rattlesnake without a rattle. Look at him. That joker is poised, ready to pounce. Anybody comes through that door unauthorized, they gotta deal with Jethro. Look at that, look at that. That joker looks mean. Jethro, doing a good job, man. Keep up the good work. Folks, my cooking's so good. That damn frog right there. That damn frog crawled all the way up this wall to try to get in my chicken. But bro, don't get too close to that grill. Your ass be barbecued too. Folks, that's how good my cooking is. I got all the neighborhood cats, dogs, Filipinas, even this frog coming to eat. My goodness, it's time to eat. Fat man looking beautiful over there. My goodness, baby, shake it a couple times. Wop, wop, wop. Gimme, 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 gimme. All right, folks. Show you how that chicken turned out. Oh yeah, take a look at that bird. Now, folks, we got these rolls right here for dinner over at the market, 20 pesos, and they are fresh. Man, these things are awesome. I don't know the name of them, what they call them there, but they almost look like a. What do they call them? Okay, it's just pandesal. All right. Well, I thought they were more like a sourdough, whatever. They're delicious. Put a little butter on there. We finna chow it down. Baby, what's my dough roller doing over here in my liquor cabinet? That's my dough roller, baby. You gotta watch that. I got dough all over it.
What happened this one?
Baby, that's my dough roller.
What happened this one? That's all.
No, that's the way it's supposed to be, baby. That's by design. Yeah, baby, watch out my dough roller. I don't know why my dough roller was over here amongst all these bottles. My goodness. Man, what's Jim Bean doing over there? You're over here with your friends, Jim. Go right there next to the Pope. All right, folks. Now look, if we put the iPad in there with Forrest G, he likes watching the ABCs. Whoa, boy. He likes watching his ABC songs, right? But if you put the iPad in there with him, he changes the channel, chews on it, and you can't leave it in there. So you got to put it outside, but he pushes his head up against that mesh. So what I usually do, I hang it up there, and so he can watch it, but he doesn't have to press his head up against there. Forrest G, you ready to go eat, son? You ready to eat some food? Say hello to everybody. All right, Forrest G. Papa stopped filming. It's time to go eat some Papa's chicken. Okay, here we go. I want to show you a couple things while I'm on the subject. You see that iPad, folks? That's an iPad mini. The first iPad mini that come out, I think we bought it, what was it, 2012? This thing has been used every damn day for hours and hours since 2012, and guess what? It's still kicking. You want to know why Apple's so damn expensive? Because it's fucking worth it. You pay up front for Apple, yeah, they're expensive as hell, but you know what? All my Apple products last for years and years and years, and then people still want to buy them. And then you see this case right here, hold on. This case right here is from Saddleback Leather. It's the same people that made my Indiana gear bag. That's full grain leather. This thing's got a 100-year warranty on it. And you can see the patina on this thing. You know, when it was new, it was a very light, you know, much lighter brown color. I'll show you the inside. But from, you know, just everyday wear on this thing for years, that's the patina. It's beautiful. You know, at some point, the iPad mini will crap out. And this thing right here, hopefully, I mean, I think what I want to do is go out and buy the latest version of an iPad mini that's the same size just because of this damn Saddleback leather case. But it's kind of, but that's it's lined with pigskin. This is made in old Mexico. There you go, you can still see it. Made in old Mexico. I mean, the guy who owns the company is out of Texas, but the factory's down in Mexico. But check this thing out. I mean, this thing is built like a tank, like all their products. And it's funny, you know, if you don't take it out for a year, you got to take it out and get like the potato chip crumbs and the bread crumbs and everything that people have been eating while they've been playing the iPad. But you talk about a piece of gear. There's the dog. Beautiful though. So when this old iPad croaks out, which the way it's going, I don't think this thing's ever gonna croak out. There's no more updates for it, and it's slow, but you know what? It'll still play YouTube videos all day long for the kids. But yeah, I'll end up buying another iPad mini, newer version, just because this thing right here is not going to play out. Look at that beautiful patina on the leather, where all, you know, the oil and dirt and everything from your fingers holding it. Anyhow, shout out to Saddleback Leather. They're the people who make my Indiana gear bag. They made this piece of gear right here, and trust me, it was well worth the money we paid for this, and well worth the money we paid for that iPad mini. It was actually my mom's, and she got a new iPad and passed it on, so kids use it to watch their YouTube videos. Anyhow, folks, quality products right there. You want to know why they're expensive? Because they're worth it. All right, folks, somebody conclude this video so I can come over here and eat. Look at this plate. My goodness. What a meal right there. What a meal right there, folks. Forrest G's eating like a king. And check it out. You know, she cooks over here when she does cook with the rice cooker, what have you. And so we don't allow the babies to get anywhere close over there. But today, she was over there washing dishes, and Forrest G kept coming over there and bothering her. So I had to put an anchor on him. It's in there tied to the bamboo furniture, so he couldn't get over there while she's trying to wash dishes. Had to put the brakes on your roadster, man. You and your roadster going over there, crashing into your mom. All right, folks, I want to thank you for joining me on this just quick Saturday night here at the Alamo here in the Philippines. in Subic, on Subic Bay. And you know what time it is? It's time for me to fire up an episode of Hee Haw. And we're all gonna have a great meal together. So wherever you're at in the world, I hope you're having a great day, great morning. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you on the next one, my friends. Peace out.
I think Junior is the most exciting man I've ever met.
I must have some strange hypnotistic powers over women.
Cornfield's next.
Hey, Gordy, old buddy.
Yeah.
Could you loan me about $5 till payday?
Why, sure I could. Arch, when's payday?
Well, you tell me. You're the one that's working.
Table broke the other day. And I bet all the bad things you've ever done flash before you.
She's feeding Forrest G. And I'm sitting here waiting, because I'm waiting for her to feed him, you know, we eat together. And I look over, and I realize that she's chewing on something. And I said, Fatima, I said, I was waiting on you to eat, so we could eat together. And she said, I'm already eating. She just didn't bother fixing her own plate. She just eat off of Forrest G's plate. That's the end of the line, man. Whoa.
Biscuits and a slab of cold meat and cherry dumplings for a 2-bit sweet.
Whoa, Forrest G. Easy with that roadster, man.
Mama. Yay!
Boy, watching Hee Haw.